Welcome back everyone. Today I'm just going to focus on assessing the hives, see if any of them need more boosting, and I have one hive in particular I have to look into. The queen, if she hasn't been replaced, is from 2020. Now the fact that she's been alive that long is good, but she's gonna need to be replaced. I might put her in one of those resource nukes I have established to basically service the other hives. This double nuke's purpose is to generate brood to help all other hives. So let's have a quick look, remove any queen cells that are not wanted, and see how the hives are doing. Okay, now I added the second brood box 2 weeks ago. These ants are persistent, and I want to see their progress. I had a quick look last week. It seemed good. Some progressed more than others. Okay, it's looking good from here. I see. Oh, let me show you. Looks like they've begun to draw the bottom. Oh, I see some artisanal. They made some cross comb here. Let's get rid of that. Sometimes bees get artistic and decide to make some weird wonky comb despite the correct bee space, as you can see. But bees usually don't care about the manual, so I will remove that. I might leave it in there so they can actually use the wax instead of having to make more. Look at this. More funky comb. See, that's drone brood they're trying to rear. It's a good sign, but my is it annoying. And this one is absolutely full of eggs. Now it's getting dark. Fortunately, I have to work on a Friday evening because I have a busy weekend ahead, but it's full of eggs. Let's see. This is looking good. I'll try and turn her around. You can see there's plenty of brood, like they're expanding in this box like a charm. And I'm seeing more cross combs I'll have to remove. Oh, this is looking good. Let's see if there's any queen cells in there. Let me show you. Look at this. Now, see quite a bit of drone brood. I see one cup over there. One cup. There was nothing in there. So this hive is perfectly fine. Okay, let's have a look. Now the blue side is progressing, but let me show you. They still only have begun the second half of their second comb. But I do see nectar reserves being stored in there. Let's have a look at the other piece of comb, see if there's any eggs being laid there. Hard to see, but there is very young larvae. Yeah, I'm trying to show you, but it's getting dark and I have to kind of hurry. There is progress, but it's a bit slow. At least on the blue side of the hive. Let me give them a bit more encouragement by flipping this. Alright. Now let's have a look at the green side of the double nuke. A bit of smoke. Okay. It's looking like they have more progress on this side. They're festooning over here, which means they've started drawing up to the last frame. Yep. Look at this. It's not very far along, but you can see they've started drawing it. Okay. Now, same thing. Let's check for eggs, larvae, and we'll close them up. It's pretty shallow, so it's easier to see. But there are eggs here, up to the third frame. So this one is slightly healthier than the blue side. And once the brood is capped, it will go into one of the hives that is slightly behind. Now, the purple hive might have gone drone layer. I found this one frame with a huge amount of drone brood. Now, that might not be the case. I'll keep an eye on them, but if next week the freshly laid eggs I see are drone brood, I am going to have to shake this hive out. I don't want to lose the comb. I'm thinking of giving them a frame of brood from another hive in case they want to make a new queen. Because I still see some, like nurse bee, there's one right there next to my thumb, and there is normal looking brood, but she might be failing or is already gone. I'll keep you posted. So what I'm gonna do is take out this frame they've begun drawing from the purple hive and give them a frame of fresh eggs from one of the resource hives. That way, if the queen's dead, it's the best shot they have. So I'll go get a frame of eggs. Now this frame has a decent amount of drone brood as well, as you can see, but it's filled with worker eggs on this side. And I'll know for sure next week when I come back if there's more drone brood and they haven't drawn a queen cell from this frame. I'll just dump the bees. Well, it's been 2 days and now I've come back to have a better look at this hive, see if she's really gone drone layer. Sorry about hiding the Alright. Now, I'm gonna have a look at the central broodnest, see if there's more drone larvae being reared. Now that one half frame might just be a fluke, but I gotta assess if she's gone full drone layer or not. I mean, probably not if I judge from this side. It looks pretty good. There's only a handful of drone. See it at the top. There's a patch here. There's a patch here of drone brood. A few queen cups at the bottom. But the right. Now the test is going to be that one frame here. It's a frame of capped brood. I gave them last time I was here, about 2 days ago. If they're rearing a queen from that, I think I'll let it go to maturity. And if I can find the queen, I'll dispatch her. Let's see. There's freshly laid eggs, but it looks like the eggs that were there when I put this in have been removed. I have never seen something like that. Strange. It looks like they want to supersede. There is a cell there. It was empty, but I am inclined to let them do it. It doesn't look like they are going drone. The queen's. Well, it doesn't look like the queen's going drone layer. And I wanted to be sure. I thought I saw eggs on the side walls of the cells, but now with the better light, I see I was wrong. At least so far. There's no sign of drone laying here either. So my guess is she just went bonkers on one of the frames and decided to fill it with drone cone. Maybe because she's an older queen. So I am inclined to let them be and come back next week, see if the situation changed. If any of the new brood is drone cone, then I'll decide whether or not to dump them. But the main reason why I came today was to confirm there were no eggs on the side walls of the cells. Yeah, there's a lot of room for laying eggs, but not a whole lot of eggs. This queen is getting replaced. She's doing fine for now as far as I can tell, but she's getting replaced. She's too old. So next week the plan is to make the starter finisher, and the week after that we'll be grafting. Now I'll close them back up, and that'll be it. Well, it looks like it's a good news, bad news situation. It doesn't look like I have a drone layer, but the queen is definitely on her way out. And like I said earlier, I'm gonna have to replace her. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all next time. Please like and subscribe.